In this video, we're going to complete the entire circle, and we're actually going to show the data inside of a template. So we're going to retrieve it in a view. We're going to retrieve a model rather in a view, and then we're going to get data from that model, send it to a template, and display it in the template. All right, so first, before we get started, let's go into the Django shell one more time and say from store dot models import genre. And if I say genre dot objects dot all, this will get every single genre in the database, no matter how we created them. So whether it was code or admin or whatever way where it was imported, which we'll see later on, it's going to show us everything. Now, furthermore, what I can do is I can take this and I could say something like order by, and I can tell it to order by the name, because as you can see right now, they're being displayed in the order they were added. But if I add this, order by, and there are many different functions that we could, or methods rather, we could chain in order to determine how these are displayed. So right now, that's all we need to know to be able to display these in a template. So let's go back to the views and let's modify this index view. Now the first thing I'll need to do is bring in my model. So from dot models import genre, and then in here I'll say that the genres are equal to genre dot objects dot all dot order by name. Now to get the genres into the template, I'll add one more value to render, and it's going to be a dictionary. And I'll have a key of genres and a value of that genres query set. And that's going to make a value named genres available inside of the template. So let's go over to the template now. And here, I'll say something div select a genre. I'll create an unordered list. And here I'm going to use a Django template tag. Now, Django template tags allow us to do things like iterate over a collection. So this is going to open with this curly brace percent syntax, and I'll say for genre in genres. So it looks a lot like Python. I like a Python for loop, but I have to close it with an in_for tag. And then inside of this loop here, I'm going to have each specific genre. So if I say create a list item rather, and then I'll create a hyperlink. For right now, it won't go anywhere, and I want to show the name of the genre in the hyperlink. Now, since I want to get the value of a particular item, the genre in this case, I have to use double curly braces. I can say genre dot name. So what this will do is we're going to get all of the genres in the database. We're going to order them in ascending order by the name. Then we're going to send them to the index template in this dictionary here in a value called genres. Then inside of the template, we can use these tags to iterate over the genres in a for loop. And then for each genre, we're going to create a hyperlink that has and display the name in double curly braces. All right, so let's see how this works. Let's go back over here. Now let's just open up another one here. And store. There we go. Welcome to the record store. So that's really all there is to it. In the next video, we'll take a look at how we can click on a link and see the details of a particular genre.